Hello there, in this video I will show you Facebook Messenger video call sound problem or Messenger video call not working on your Android phone. So let's get started. Go to Settings. Scroll down and find out Apps. Tap on it. Search for Messenger. Open it. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Tap Clear Data. Tap OK or Delete. Move back. Tap on Permissions. Allow all the permissions here. Make sure to allow the microphone. Now move back to the home screen and restart your phone. After the restart, open your Messenger app. Log into your account. Now call someone else and check it out your problem is solved or remains. If your problem still remains, then go ahead with the next method. Open your Play Store and search for Messenger. Tap on it. If you found any available update for your Messenger app, then update it from here. Once the process has been completed, open it from here. Now check out your problem is solved or not. That's it. Thanks for watching.